Hey guys, hello and welcome to another video. So in previous video we already created this data raptor load. So in this video I will create a new integration procedure which we can call through this Omni script, and that will save the data back to the Salesforce. So without wasting any time, let me create this integration procedure. So I will create a new integration procedure and I will name that integration procedure as save account details, and inside this type I will use save. Inside the subtype I will use account details. So if I need to save this, after saving the integration procedure I need to drag the data raptor post. So inside this, the data raptor load is basically named as the data raptor post. So I will drag this and I will name it as dr save account, and inside this interface I will choose the interface which I already created, that is save account details. And after creating this I need a response action to transfer the data whatever coming inside this integration procedure back to its called place. So I will drag a response, and inside this response I need to pass the name of this data raptor. So I will use this, and inside this send JSON path I will pass whatever the data which are coming from this data raptor. So let me preview this thing. So inside this preview I need to pass the JSON which is coming from the Omni script. So I will use the same Omni script which is there inside the data raptor. So I will copy the same JSON and I will paste the JSON same here. Once I will paste this, and if I will execute this, you can see that we are getting some response, and that response contains the upsert success, that is the record was already present inside the org. So the upsert worked here and the details are like this. On the right hand side, if you can go inside this, so we are having these things, the data raptor save account and the debug. So inside the debug we can check whatever the input is. So our main input here is this step contains all the details and the account ID, and inside the normal one we can check the response. So this response is same what we are getting inside this response action. So this integration procedure is done for now. What I will do is I will activate this. So I need to activate this. After activating it, we need to go back to the Omni script, and there inside this integration procedure I need to select, I will use the one which I have created, that is save underscore account details. Okay, and let me preview it again. After previewing it, we need to provide the context ID. So I will provide it the context ID and I will refresh the page. So here you can see that we are getting the data, and inside this, let me open this action debugger. If I will make any changes like 450 to 455 and acme.in to back to the com, and if I will press next, this integration procedure 2 is called, and if I will open this, inside the response you can see that the upsert is now true and the updated details are not this. So things are now changed inside the Salesforce object. So let me refresh this again, so you can also see this here, that the updated details will come inside this fields. So you can see initially it was .in and now it is .com, and this was 50, so it is 55. So let's activate this and let's see this onto the console, like how it will work. After activating this, let me go back to this console and I need to refresh the page so that the changes will reflect. You can see here that the updated details are coming here. Okay, now if I will go back to that Omni script to edit the account details, let's change this com to Google. And if I will press the next button, so this is the thing which I want to show you, that it is not going back to that card. So for that we need to add something inside our OmniScript, but it is working, but it is not going back to that card. So for now let's close this, and if I will go back to this card and I need to refresh it so that the changes will reflect. Now you can see that it is acme.google. So to fix that thing, let's go to that OmniScript, let's deactivate it again, and inside this design we need to use the navigate action. So it is inside the action, and we need to drag a navigate action onto the console, and we just need to make some minor changes, as because this page reference type is already a record type, because this page is a record type, and we need to provide the object API name, that is the account, and inside this record action we are viewing a record. And what is the record ID? So the record ID is basically the context ID. So that's it. If I will activate this again, and if I will go back to this card, and here I need to refresh this, I need to open the OmniScript. So now if I will make any changes, you can see that it was 6445. Now if I will make it as 4 times 1, and if I will press the next button, you can see that now it is going back to that card, and even the data is not refreshed. To refresh the data we need to refresh the page. So you can see that the changes has been done to the Salesforce record, and it is reflecting. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, and if you have any query you can comment out. I will try to reply to each and every comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.